Everyone who's been to a flight wants to approach an air hostess because they're pretty. But when she comes to you and when she talks to you, your palms are sweaty, you're getting all nervous, there's sweat coming out of your face, and you don't know what to say. That's why I wanted to create the most in-depth and insightful video on how you can approach an air hostess in the most socially calibrated way. Hello friends and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about talking to an air hostess the right way. My name is Arnav and I've been a dating coach for the past decade, helping men like yourself get into the relationship that you deserve. If you're single, consider subscribing. आज जो भी मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ, that has been the outcome of practicing this multiple times, guys. So आज मैं आपको जो बताऊंगा, these 10 steps, they've come out from a lot of practice, a lot of rejections from air hostesses, a lot of embarrassment on flights. So if you're considering taking a flight, कहीं आप travel कर रहे हैं, vacation के लिए जा रहे हैं, maybe you're coming back home, whatever the case might be, if you want to approach an air hostess, this is the only way, the correct way to do it. And I don't think anyone has broken this in that kind of depth. And I'll tell you what actually happened with me before I tell you all these 10 steps. So what happened with me was I was on a flight, I was doing a boot camp. It was my first boot camp. This was back in 2015. I was going to Bangalore. Boot camp is a life coaching program where I take people in the field and coach them how it's done. So this was my first program and I was very passionate, I was very fired up. Going to Bangalore, doing this program. And I had like a wingman who was supporting me and assisting me. And this banda मेरे साथ flight में बैठा हुआ था and he's like, bro, हम जा रहे हैं बूट कैम्प देने के लिए, we're going to, teach people how to approach girls and all of this. You should be fucking confident to do that. And I'm like, bro, I'm confident, don't worry about it. He's like, अच्छा, approach the air hostess. तभी मेरी ऐसी फटी वहाँ पे, I was just looking at him and I was like, bro, air hostess, I mean, why? बैठे हुए फ्लाइट में आराम से, I was coming up with excuses. And the guy tells me, like, bro, इतने excuses मैंने तेरे मुँह से कभी नहीं सुने. I've never heard so many excuses. So think about it, do it, fail, but learn it. I'm like, cool. So I approached the girl. I was like, excuse me, can I talk to you? Oh, you look very pretty. Same approach जो मैं सड़कों पे कर रहा था और clubs में कर रहा था. I tried to do it over there and it was first-hand embarrassment. I failed so miserably. The girl was like, I can't talk so much. I have work to do. So first thing you need to understand is कि ये approaches करने के लिए you need more social calibration rather than just going out and approaching in clubs or going out and approaching in the daytime. Why? Because you need to understand the girl's position as well. Now I could not understand her position because I was too much in my head. मेरे को इतना डर लग रहा था कि मैं अपने दोस्त को impress कर पाऊँगा, मैं have to impress this girl, इतने सारे लोग देख रहे हैं, that I was not thinking about where the girl is emotionally at. And also it's a workplace, so she's working at that point of time, so you cannot just disturb someone over there. That's exactly what I did. I failed the first time. Second time I remember I was coming back from Bangalore and I was like, okay, this is the second time. Now I need to try it in a different approach. तो मैंने जाते ही घुसते ही बात करने की कोशिश करी and मेरे पीछे भीड़ खड़ी हो गई and the guys are like laughing and I'm just talking to her and she's like, sir, please go. तो थोड़ी बहुत मेरे को अट्रैक्शन लगी वहाँ बिल्ड हुई, बट वो इतना पिस ऑफ हो गई थी मुझसे. शी वाज लाइक, दिस इज अ ट्रबल मेकिंग पैसेंजर, सो इसको भेजो जल्दी से. तो सेकंड टाइम मैं उधर फेल हुआ. देन आई वाज गोइंग टू मुंबई एंड आई वाज लाइक, ओके, नाउ आई नीड टू फकिंग ट्राई दिस अगेन. सो अब थर्ड टाइम मेरे को पता था कि पहले तो अप्रोच नहीं करना और बीच में भी अप्रोच नहीं करना बिकॉज दैट इज अ फेलियर. सो आई वाज लाइक, ओके, लेट्स बी स्मार्ट अबाउट दैट. तो धीरे धीरे करके मैंने प्रोसेस बनाया. फर्स्ट थिंग इज नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज बी प्रॉपर्ली ग्रूम्ड एंड वेयर द राइट फिट. अब लोग एयरपोर्ट जा रहे थे पजामेज में, शॉर्ट्स में, एंड इफ यू वांट टू इंप्रेस एन एयर हॉस्टेस, ब्रो, that's not the right way. So the right way is be groomed and prepare for the fucking airport like you're going to an event. You're going to an event, prepare yourself like that. जैसे actors, actresses, celebs जाते हैं, वैसे उस तरीके से एयरपोर्ट जाओ. Wear something comfortable, but wear something that's appealing. Don't wear anything. Don't wear any fucking thing. तो अपने ग्रूमिंग अच्छे से करा लेना फ्लाइट में जाने से पहले, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स वेकेशन पे जा रहे हो, घर जा रहे हो, जो भी है, गेट योर ग्रूमिंग डन. ग्रूमिंग का मतलब हेयर कट. Go to a Tonian guy, get your haircut done from there, and go select the right fashion for the flight. Now once you've done this, very basic step, but मेरे को इतना realize हो गया, common sense is not so common, so I have to tell this. Now step 2 is location is the most important thing when you want to approach that air hostess, bro. You need to understand that location is the most important thing. Now what do I mean by location? कहाँ पे आप फ्लाइट में प्लेस्ड हो, that is very important. But business class से बेटर चीज़ क्या है? You can save on the money and you can take a seat near the emergency exit. Now this is very important, guys. This is, if you don't take the seat near emergency exit, none of this is going to work. तो पहले ही बुक करा लो अपनी emergency exit वाली सीट and you will understand why. तो emergency exit वाली आपने सीट बुक कराई. Step 3 is a pattern interrupt. Interrupting the briefing the right way. Now when you're sitting in the emergency exit, near the emergency exit, the air hostess is going to come और वो brief करेगी आपको कि कैसे दरवाज़ा खोलना है in case of an emergency. So when you're sitting there, that is the best time to interrupt her. Now she's going to come to you. She's going to be, sharing all the information. She's going to ask you English or Hindi. You can say English or Hindi, whatever you're comfortable with. Then she's going to brief you. कि इसको ऐसे खोलना है, in case of any emergency you'll see these lights and all. तो उसको देखते रहना ऐसे, right? Just look at it like this. Just look at it like this. Can you just repeat yourself? I was so zoned out. I'm so sorry. Can you repeat yourself? By the way, you're pretty. आपने एक बार ये बोला, what's going to happen is, and be prepared for this, सारे लोग हंसने लग जाएंगे, right? So what I did generally was I was sitting over there and she's looking at me and she's briefing everything. I'm like, I was so lost. Can you just repeat yourself? Everyone starts laughing. अब सारे लोग हंसने लग गए तो एक आइस ब्रेक हो जाती है, राइट? शी इज़ नॉट गोना फील दैट, शी इज़ गोना फील अ लिटिल ऑकवर्ड, सोशल प्रेशर बढ़ जाएगा, शी इज़ गोना लाइक ब्लश करेगी थोड़ा, एंड देन ऑल द आइज आर गोना बी ऑन यू, सोशल प्रेशर थोड़ा सहना सीख लो. वंस यू हैव दैट, नाउ यू हैव ओपन द वे टू अ कॉन्वर्जेशन. बट अभी नहीं करनी कॉन्वर्जेशन, बिकॉज अभी बस इतना करना है सो दैट शी इज़ कॉन्स्टेंटली थिंकिंग अबाउट अ डिफरेंट पैसेंजर. नाउ अपने आप को एक एयर होस्टेस की पोजीशन में भी डाल के देखो, वो डेली ये काम कर रही है, एवरी डे 2-3 टाइम्स, सो शी इज़ गेटिंग बोर्ड. नाउ वो एक पैटर्न इंटरप्ट किया आपने, शी इज़ गोना गेट एंगेज्ड एंड शी इज़ गोना गेट हुक्ड. Now, what happened when I did that? The girl was constantly walking here and there, and she was constantly looking at me, and she was constantly smiling. Now, इधर मैंने third time क्या गलती करी थी, मैं उसकी तरफ देख रहा था, and I'm like, I'm smiling back. It's like, don't do that creepy shit, right? Do not do that creepy shit. Which brings me to step number 4. Look intellectual. Now, how do you look intellectual? Open your fucking laptop, काम करना शुरू कर दो flight में, और maybe read a book. Alright, read a book. Do not constantly stare at the air hostess. ये गलती मैं कर चुका हूँ, ये गलती मत करना, because then it's gonna be a rejection. Now, once you're looking intellectual, you're reading a book, or you're working on your laptop, she will come here and there and she will try to lock eye contact एक आध बारी, अगर थोड़ी सा भी attraction level हो. So she's gonna lock eyes, just give her a slight smile, and just give her a slight smile, and lock eyes once, but not more than once. किताब में ऐसे गड़े रहो जैसे 10th के board exams हो, right? Step number 5, maintain minimal eye contact and pass a smile. One smile is good enough. Step number 6, excuse yourself and empathize. अब इस टाइम पे आपको वॉशरूम जाना है, एंड व्हेन यू गोइंग टू द वॉशरूम मेक श्योर दैट शी इज इन द बैक, ताकि आप क्रॉस करो उसको, एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट बी लाइक, hey, just wanted to say that I'm sorry for whatever happened. I know this is your work and I didn't want to mess it up for you, but you actually look kind of pretty. Anyway, have a great day and just walk by. Have a great day मत बोलना, इतना formal मत करना, but just walk by. You get the idea. Give her a compliment. Now, once you've given her a compliment, she's gonna be, she's gonna be smiling. She's gonna talk to her other colleagues. Because ये होता नहीं है जनरली में, सबकी फटी पड़ी होती है, सब देख रहे होते हैं hostesses को. Now, step 7, be the last dick standing. Now, what is the last dick standing? The last dick standing is flight जब उतर जाए, जैसे Indians generally, they're all running towards the exit, right? They're all running like मतलब पता नहीं कैसे कूद जाएंगे जैसे फ्लाइट से बाहर. वो नहीं करना आपको. बैठे रहो वहीं पे आराम से, take your time, let everyone get off. And act like you lost something, right? You lost something, या फिर आप निकाल रहे हो वो निकल नहीं रहा कुछ. वैसे तो मैं pretend करता हूँ कि I lost something, I'm finding something, or I'm just on my laptop and I'm pretending to sleep. Now, when this happens, be the last dick standing. So सब लोग निकल चुके हैं, क्योंकि you don't want to put pressure on her. You don't want to put social pressure on the air hostess. Now, what I do is generally, I'm opening my bag or something, and I'm like, excuse me, can I ask you for your help? अब she comes again. Now this is where the window of opportunity is, but you also need to understand उसके दिमाग में भी 4 चीज़ें चल रही होंगी कि मेरे को पायलट देख रहा है, मेरे को मेरी कलीग्स देख रही हैं, so you have to be very discreet about it. Now once you're the last dick standing, ask her for help. बैग निकालते हो अपना, ताकि एक रीज़न मिल जाए उसको भी आने का. Step number 9 is have a pen and a notepad handy. फ़ोन नहीं दे सकते आप. अगर आपने फ़ोन दिया, वहाँ पे उसके 100 और क्वेश्चंस खड़े हो जाएंगे कि मेरे दोस्त देख रहे हैं, कलीग्स देख रहे हैं, and it's not professional. आपको बस इतना पूछना है. So बैग उठाते हैं. So by the way, which city are you from? Oh, that's nice. I'm here for a workation or vacation, and then just be like, I would love to connect with you. I know this is like kind of unprofessional and probably you're not allowed to do that. Why don't you just tell me your number and I'll write it down. Now guys, this is the crucial point. इस point तक तभी पहुंचना अगर वो positive आपको react कर रही हो. She's giving you a smile. She's coming to you without hesitation. She's not sending someone else. अगर आप आंखें ज़्यादा मिला रहे हो flight में, you're creeping her out. She'll send someone else. I've done that. I've been there. Please don't do that. Now, have a pen and a notepad ready नीचे, और number जल्दी से लिख लेना, and then just tell her like, I'm here for a few days. How many days are you here for? Oh, I would love to connect with you on a call. I know this is not the best time to talk, but I would love to do that. Now, once you've done that, practice till you become perfect. Now, technically I practiced this. I came up with this whole idea after practicing it 8 to 9 times. And guys, now I have a 100% success rate unless and until the girl has a boyfriend. But also what I've noticed, I don't want to generalize, maybe some air hostesses are watching this right now. Air hostesses cheat a lot. So that's what I've noticed in my own journey. But again, no generalizations over here. just my own experience. So follow these 10 steps and I'm sure that you'll get her number. Now once you get a number, you still need to go out on a date and set up a date. Now if you need my personal help to help you with your dating life, you can schedule a free strategy call with my relationship expert. All you need to do is click the link below and let's see if you're right fit to work.